Hello friends, Las Vegas known for bright lights, big bets, and endless buffets. But just a short hop from the Strip lies a different kind of spectacle. A monument to American ingenuity and grit. I'm talking about the Hoover Dam, folks, and trust me, it's a sight to behold. Now you might be thinking, Mike, a dam? Really? But hear me out. This ain't your grandma's backyard pond, people. This is 726 feet of concrete, steel, and sheer willpower, holding back the mighty Colorado River. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a testament to the hard work and sacrifice of thousands, and it's just a stone's throw from the neon jungle of Sin City. So ditch the blackjack table for an afternoon and join me on a journey to one of America's most impressive landmarks. Hoover Dam is more than just a dam. It's a symbol of human ambition and our ability to conquer nature's challenges. It's a story of sweat, determination, and the relentless pursuit of progress. And it's a story I can't wait to share with you. All right, let's hit the road. Our chariot awaits, and it's a scenic drive, not a slot machine in sight. We're trading in the clanging sounds of the casino floor for the open road and the promise of something extraordinary. As we leave the glittering skyline of Vegas behind, the landscape begins to change. The neon fades, replaced by rugged mountains and the vast expanse of the Mojave Desert. Cacti stand tall, like lone sentinels guarding secrets of the past. Keep your eyes peeled for the Mike O'Callahan-Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. This marvel of modern engineering soars high above the Colorado River, offering breathtaking views of the dam. Snap a picture, folks, because this is where the real show begins. The air grows hot, carrying the scent of sun-baked earth and the faint whisper of the wind. It's a sensory experience that prepares you for the awe-inspiring sight that awaits. Get ready, folks, because we're about to come face to face with the Hoover Dam. Picture this. It's the 1930s, the Great Depression has the country in a chokehold, but amidst the hardship, a beacon of hope emerges in the Nevada desert. Thousands of men, desperate for work, flock to the Black Canyon. Their mission? To tame the mighty Colorado River and build the biggest dam the world had ever seen. Imagine the scorching heat, the deafening noise, the constant danger. These weren't just construction workers, they were pioneers, pushing the limits of human endurance. They carved this monumental structure from the earth itself, pouring concrete, bending steel, and risking their lives every single day. Thousands of tons of concrete were poured block by block to create the dam's massive structure. They used a system of pipes filled with ice-cold water to cool the concrete as it cured. This ingenious method ensured the dam's strength and longevity. It's a story of grit and determination, of ingenuity and sacrifice. The Hoover Dam stands as a testament to the spirit of those who dared to dream big and build even bigger. Words can't do justice to the sheer scale of this place. It's a concrete colossus, standing over 725 feet tall and stretching 1,244 feet across the Black Canyon. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty, folks. It's an imposing sight, a testament to human engineering prowess. The dam's base is thicker than 2 football fields are long. 2 football fields. And it contains enough concrete to build a 2-lane highway from New York City to San Francisco. That's a whole lot of concrete. Walk across the top, and you'll feel the vibrations of the dam holding back the immense force of Lake Mead. Look down, and you'll be greeted by the dizzying drop to the Colorado River below. The scale of it all is enough to make your head spin. It's a symphony of strength and scale, a testament to the power of human ingenuity to reshape the world around us. Taming the wild river Hoover Dam's flood control legacy. Before the Hoover Dam, the Colorado River was a wild beast. It rampaged through the Southwest, causing devastating floods that wreaked havoc on communities and farmland. The dam tamed that beast, harnessing its power and bringing much-needed stability to the region. Imagine a wall of water surging down the river, threatening homes and livelihoods. That was the reality for folks living in the Colorado River basin before the dam. Today, Lake Mead, the reservoir created by the dam, acts as a giant bathtub, capturing floodwaters and releasing them gradually. This controlled release not only prevents catastrophic floods but also ensures a consistent water supply for downstream communities. It's like a giant valve, regulating the flow of the river and protecting millions from the destructive power of nature. The Hoover Dam stands as a symbol of human resilience, a testament to our ability to conquer even the most formidable challenges. Liquid power, Hoover Dam's electrifying impact. Here's a shocking fact. Hoover Dam generates enough electricity to power 1.3 million homes. That's right, this concrete giant isn't just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse of renewable energy. Deep within the dam, massive turbines spin day and night, converting the raw power of the Colorado River into electricity. It's a symphony of mechanical might, a testament to the ingenuity of human engineering. This clean, reliable energy powers homes and businesses across Nevada, Arizona, and California. It's a vital resource for the region, fueling economic growth and improving the lives of millions. The Hoover Dam stands as a shining example of sustainable development, proving that we can harness the power of nature without destroying it. Irrigation innovation, quenching the thirst of the West. The Southwest is a thirsty land, folks, and the Hoover Dam plays a crucial role in quenching that thirst. It's like a giant water tower, providing a lifeline for agriculture and communities across the region. Before the dam, vast stretches of land were arid and unproductive. The Colorado River, though mighty, was unpredictable, its flow fluctuating wildly with the seasons. But the dam changed all that, creating a reliable water source that transformed the Southwest. A network of canals and pipelines carries water from Lake Mead to farms and cities, irrigating crops and supplying drinking water to millions. It's a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of environmental challenges. The Hoover Dam stands as a symbol of hope, a testament to our ability to transform barren landscapes into thriving centers of life. Gravity? Not today. The curious case of Hoover Dam's water. Now for a little science lesson. Ever heard the saying, water always finds its level? Well, at Hoover Dam, it seems to defy gravity. It's a fascinating phenomenon, folks, and it all comes down to pressure. The dam creates an enormous difference in water level between Lake Mead and the river below. Think of it like a giant water balloon, ready to burst. That difference in height creates immense pressure, forcing water up the intake towers even though they're higher than the river. It's like magic, but with a scientific explanation. The water isn't actually defying gravity, it's being pushed upward by the immense pressure created by the weight of the water above it. It's a prime example of how engineering can manipulate natural forces to achieve incredible results. Beyond the concrete, exploring the dam's hidden depths. Don't just admire the dam from afar, folks. Get up close and personal. Take a tour and venture inside this concrete behemoth. You'll descend deep into the dam's belly, where you'll discover a labyrinth of tunnels, passageways, and massive machinery. You'll see the enormous generators that hum with the power of the Colorado River. You'll walk through the very heart of the dam, feeling the coolness of the concrete and the vibrations of energy being generated. Learn about the intricate workings of this engineering marvel, from the water intake towers to the power generation units. It's an eye-opening experience that will give you a newfound appreciation for the complexity and ingenuity of the dam's design. A visit to Hoover Dam is a journey through time, a chance to witness firsthand the ingenuity and determination of those who dared to build this iconic structure. A timeless testament. Reflections on Hoover Dam's legacy. Standing atop the Hoover Dam, gazing out at the vast expanse of Lake Mead, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. This isn't just a dam, folks, it's a monument to human ambition, a testament to our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. For over 80 years, this concrete giant has stood strong, taming the wild Colorado River, generating clean energy, and providing a lifeline to millions. It's a symbol of American ingenuity and a source of pride for generations. But the Hoover Dam is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a reminder of our responsibility to be good stewards of our planet. It teaches us that we can harness the power of nature without destroying it, that we can build a better future for generations to come. It's a legacy worth preserving, a story worth sharing. Don't just take my word for it, go see Hoover Dam. So there you have it, folks. The Hoover Dam, a testament to human ingenuity, a marvel of engineering, and a must-see for anyone visiting Las Vegas. It's a journey through time, a lesson in history, and an experience you won't soon forget. Trade in the bright lights of the Strip for the awe-inspiring sight of this concrete giant. Take a walk across its crest, feel the vibrations of power beneath your feet, and gaze out at the vastness of Lake Mead. Trust me, folks, the Hoover Dam is more than just a dam. It's an experience. It's a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together, when we dare to dream big and build even bigger. So go see it for yourself. Thanks for watching.